relatively few people are aware of the importance of oysters. Oysters are a specific type of shellfish known as bivalves. Bivalves have two calcium carbonate shells that operate on a hinge. Clams, mussels, and scallops also fall under this category. What's really special about bivalves is that they are filter feeders. Instead of feeding on large moving prey like fish, oysters feed on algae and sediment that floats through the water, thus cleaning the water. Oysters can greatly reduce harmful algal blooms, and they filter out toxic chemicals and sediment that negatively affects coastal ecosystems. Oysters naturally attach onto structures, oftentimes being other clumps of oysters. These oyster reef structures provide habitat to other aquatic organisms, they strengthen coastlines, and reduce coastal erosion from hurricanes or other strong storms. What is arguably most important, though, is that farmed oysters provide the exact same environmental benefits as wild oysters. Farming oysters can reduce the stress on wild oyster populations, allowing wild oysters to flourish. Eating oysters supports the oyster industry, which will allow more and more of these precious organisms to inhabit and clean our waters. This has been a snippet brought to you by Sensing Nature.